Hi friends, here we have to find remainder of 7 power 84 by 342. These kind of problems are very easy. There is a simple trick. Let us understand this. We know our binomial expansion. What is our binomial expansion? X plus y whole power n is nc0 x power n y power 0 nc1 x power n minus 1 y power 1 nc2 x power n minus 2 y square plus nc n minus 1 x power n y power n minus 1 plus ncn x power 0 y power n. Basically, it will go from nc0 to ncn. Right, NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 up to NCn minus 1, NCn. And x starts from n and goes to 0. Y starts from 0 and goes to n. This is the formula. Right. Now, if you see in all of these terms, x power n, x power n minus 1, x power n minus 2, up to the last term, there is some x except the last term. In the last term only, it is x power 0. Till that it is x power something, right? X power something, either 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. So what does that mean? This x power y, x plus y whole power n is all these terms until the last term is a multiple of x except the last term, right? All of these are actually multiples of x. Now what does that mean? All of these, they will put together, they will give a remainder 0 only, because they are always multiples of x, and NCN is 1 only, x power 0 is 1. So only term that might give some remainder is y power n. Right, rest all, they are all multiples of x, so they will not give any remainder. Only y power n can give remainder. These two, NCN x0, x power 0, right? This is also equal to 1. NCN is 1, right? NC0, NCN both are 1, x power 0 is also 1. So only remainder we can expect from this y power n. Now this 7 power 84. 7 power 84, what we can write? 7 power 3 power 28. Right. 328s are 84. Right. We can write like this, right? A power 4 power n is a power mn. Right. Now, what is 7 cube? 7 cube is 343. 343, what we can write? We can write it as 342 plus 1. Now, see, this is in this form, x plus y whole power n. We just discussed x plus y whole power n will, this part will, the remainder of this by this, x plus y whole power n by x, the remainder of that is equal to the remainder of y power n by x, because rest all, if you expand this, everything is a multiple of 342 except 1 power 28, except the last term 1 power 28. Everything else is a multiple of 342 as per this formula. Right now, what is the remainder? 1 power 28, which is 1 by 342. What does that mean? The remainder is 1. 1 by anything, the remainder is 1, right? It's just a simple trick. Whenever we are given these kind of problems, right, we have to convert this in the form of x plus y whole power n, where y is something which is useful for us. In this case, 342 plus 1, 343. We can convert this 3 7 power 84 to 343. So we have to cleverly manipulate the numerator in such a way so that it simplifies our work using this binomial theorem. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.